Hello dear students, hope you all are keeping well and I welcome you all for my online class. Children, today I am so happy. Why Today I am going to start first lesson of 5th standard. Okay, before I start the class, I want to give treat. Are you thinking, oh, first class ma'am is going to give one treat. Okay, everybody likes to get a treat, isn't it? So, now if you want to get treat, you have to say the answer for my questions. Are you ready? It is very easy and simple questions. Okay, I hope you will say the answer and you will get treat from me. Okay, yes, let's start up the class now. Now, the first question is, just you imagine about summer season. Summer season, so sunny, hot. Yes. What do you like to have in summer season? What do you like to have in summer season? Shall I give the options? Yes, of course, I'll give you an option. One option. Option 1 is hot coffee. Okay, think hot coffee. Second option is very sweet and creamy and wonderful to eat. Ice cream. Yes, I know you like that ice cream, isn't it? Yes. What is the option? First one is coffee and second one, ice cream. Yes. What do you like to have in summer? Coffee or ice cream? Yes, of course, that is ice cream. Yes, your answer is correct. I heard your answer. So, I have to give treat now, isn't it? Yes. So, I am going to give one treat. Is this. This is ice cream, vanilla flavor. See, white vanilla flavor. This is for you. Take this ice cream and enjoy. Okay? And the second question. I'm going to ask second question. See, who sells the ice cream? Who sells the ice cream? Yes. Say the answer. Yes, it is ice cream man. Yes. Now, one more flavor, chocolate flavor. This ice cream is for you. Yes. And now I have one very special flavor for you. If you want to get that flavor and you have to say the answer. So let me give the question. Third question is, yes, see here. Yeah. Can you imagine this flavor of ice cream? This is a good flavor of ice cream. Here, some of the letters are missed. You have to fill this letters and say the flavor. If you identify this ice cream, then you will get one more treat, that is strawberry flavor. If you guess this flavor, if you guess this flavor of ice cream, then you will get this strawberry. Okay? Yes. Hope you will you'll write the answer soon and you will text me. Isn't it? Yes. Okay, children. This class we are going to start about ice cream man. This class we are going to start the lesson ice cream man. First lesson, ice cream man. Now, let's learn in detail about ice cream man. Okay, the title itself very excellent. Ice cream, isn't it? Yeah, okay. Children, here see, I have written the poem here. Let me read out and at home, you have to practice well. Okay? First, you listen the poem. First, you have to listen the poem carefully and practice at home. Okay? Yes. Let me start the poem now. See here. Unit number 1. Ice cream man. Okay? Let me read out now. When summer's in the city and brings a blaze of heat, the ice cream man with this little cart goes trundling down the street. Beneath his round umbrella, oh, what a joyful sight! To see him fill the cones with the mounds of cooling brown and white. Okay, this poem is written by Rachel Field. Who has written this poem? Rachel Field. Okay, now let us see the lesson. Here, I hope you have received your textbook. See children, this is the textbook picture. This is the textbook picture. In the first line, here we can see few questions. Let me read out now. See here. What is cold? Guess the answer. What is cold? Sweet and creamy and wonderful to eat. What is that? Sweet, creamy, wonderful, very tasty to eat. What is that? Yes, of course, that is ice cream. And see, everyone's favorite treat. Always we ask, I want treat. And what kind of treat we like most? Yes, that is ice cream. And see, everyone's favorite treat, especially on a hot summer day. Especially, we expect this ice cream treat. When? Especially in a hot summer's days. Okay, now it is an ice cream. And everyone's favorite person. That thing is over. Now, everyone's favorite person might just be the ice cream man. Okay, children, now we are going to learn about ice cream man. First, look at this sentence, children. First sentence, here you see. When summer's in the city and bricks a blaze of heat. See here, what the poet says here. See here, when summer, you imagine the summer season. See, the hot sun makes everybody to feel hot. Isn't it? Hot. See, when summer's in the city, it is a summer day and sun is making everybody to feel hot. And see, in the city, how is that hot? And bricks a blaze of heat. See, what is the meaning of blaze? Look at here. Blaze, it is a bright flame or it is fire. You can feel the fire's hotness, isn't it? Yes. So here, bricks a blaze of heat. The hot sun makes everybody to feel hot like fire. Okay, like bricks of fire. Yes. Now, that time, what we can imagine? Yes, we will get so much, we feel very hot and we get to sweat. Yes, by that time, you imagine the ice cream man with this little cart. See, who comes? The ice cream man. Wow, we feel very happy to see that man. Why? See, the ice cream man, how he is coming? With this little cart. What will be there in his cart? Yes, of course, he will be having varieties of ice creams. It may be vanilla, chocolate, strawberry, isn't it? So, varieties of flavor. And see, ice cream man with this little cart. He's holding a little cart and he's coming in the summer. So, here see, with this little cart, goes trundling. See, goes trundling down the street. See, goes trundling. What is the meaning of trundling? See here, moving on small broad wheels. Okay, and see here, I'm going to show the picture. Look at this man, ice cream man. See what he is having? Little cart. Look at the wheel of that cart. See, small and see, moving on small broad wheels. Okay, so he's moving his cart and selling the ice cream, varieties of ice cream, and he is carrying the little cart. Yes, with the sound. Do you know how he comes? The small bell he hangs and he makes that sound, tin 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 tin, like that, isn't it? Yes. Now see here, the ice cream man with his little cart goes trundling down the street. He goes in all the street, ice cream, like that. Now look at this second stanza. Beneath this round umbrella, oh, what a joyful sight. Beneath this round umbrella, see, look at this picture, children. In this, see, this is the umbrella. Why he has kept this umbrella? To cover the cart, to cover the ice creams. Okay, so to cover that cart, so what he has kept? A big umbrella to keep the ice cream cool. He has kept one big umbrella. See here, beneath this round umbrella, oh, what a joyful sight to see that cart, to see that varieties of ice creams. It is very fantastic sight, isn't it? So in this hot summer, we feel very hot. We like to have something cold or else sweet or else creamy. Of course, if that time, during the summer time, of course, if we see ice cream and we won't wait, we will rush to there and we will have all the ice creams. Isn't it, children? Yes. So here, beneath this round umbrella, oh, what a joyful sight. And see, next what he is doing to see him. So, to see him, fill the cones with the mounds. See, he takes the cones and he takes the cream and he fills the mounds. Isn't it? To see him, fill the cones with the mounds. See, look at the mounds of cooling. Brown and white. Brown, you can see that chocolate flavor, or else white means vanilla flavor. He takes the cone and he fills with the mound varieties of the ice cream. What is that? Vanilla or else chocolate. Isn't it, children? Yes. Okay. So in this class, children, we have learnt about the ice cream man, how he comes and what he sells, and during hot summer season what we like to have. So all these things we have learnt in this class. And see, one more thing I told you, to see him fill the cones with the mounds. What is the meaning of mound? See here, mounds, it is heap or else pile. Okay, so of cooling, brown and white. Okay, children, this class we have learned about ice cream man. The first stanza, the summer season in the city, when we feel hot, if we see the ice cream man going around the street, of course, what are the things he'll bring? Varieties of ice cream, right? So these are the things we have learned in this class. Now how to remember this rhyme? I am going to put one tone. Okay, will you follow this tone? Yes. Shall we start now? Okay, see here, you have to say like this. When summer's in the city, say, when summer's in the city and bricks a blaze of heat. When summer's in the city and bricks a blaze of heat, the ice cream man with his little cart, the ice cream man with his little cart goes trundling down the street beneath this round umbrella. Oh, what a joyful sight! Oh, what a joyful sight to see him fill the cones with mounds of cooling brown, cooling brown and white, of cooling brown and white, of cooling brown and white. Who comes? Ice cream man. Okay, once again, you practice at home, children. Practice well. And today's homework, I am going to give few homework And one homework already I have given. If you want strawberry, and please fill this. And one more is, so you have to write few ice creams flavor. I have told you vanilla, strawberry, and what are the flavors you know, or else what are the flavors you like to have. So list out the flavors. Okay. Yes, hope children you understood this poem well, and next class we are going to learn about what are the special ice creams he has in his. So all the next class we are going to learn about the ice creams. Thank you.